Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best portable washing machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best washing machine on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which washing machine are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Nictoma portable washing machine. Nictoma, a leading brand for washing machine, this washer is good solution for doing laundry and ideal for small loads, such as underwear, socks, t-shirts, towels, etc. The functions of water inlet, sprinkling, spin and water flow are also made available to save time, labor and water usage. With the integration of new technology, this washer with large wave pulsates and new water flow, will not only produce less twisting of the clothing but also better cleaning and washing effect. This washing machine is very easy to operate via its touch control panel. Heavy, soft, normal, rapid and soak programs, you are allowed to quickly start the machine as you need. You can customize washing program by selecting load size, adding additional wash time, rinse time and spin time as well. For more details, let's watch more. Our second best portable washing machine is Comfy portable washing machine. As a 1.6 cubic feet capacity fully automatic portable washing machine, it's a small yet powerful washer that simply do your laundry for you nicely. The machine is designed to make your life easier. It's extremely easy to install, easy to use and easy to relocate to anywhere you need it. With great features including 6 most commonly used programs, electronic controls with LED display, big see-through tempered glass lid with soft close feature, highly durable stainless steel inner tub, safe and durable motors, as well as reloading feature, this machine is going to be such a big help to your daily laundry needs. For more details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is XR Sport Portable Washing Machine. Portable ultrasonic washing machine are the best way to clean your precious little baby clothes. It is also ideal to wash diapers hygienically outside the home washing machine. Ozone is a way of gas cleaning, which can cover 360 degrees, is convenient for cleaning small objects. The clean rate is as high as 99.99%. Washer machines will send out vibration waves for a higher sterilization rate to remove dirt more effectively. Mini washing machine use food-grade silicone as raw materials to give customers more peace of mind. The portable washing machine can wash baby clothes, underwear, towels, socks, toys. For more details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Pile Portable Washer. Pile portable washing machines and clothes dryer make doing laundry easier, accommodating small loads of delicate items like lingerie, cloth diapers or a few pairs of jeans. Our passionate team creates products with the best laundry technology, because we truly care about the environment and our customers. Our products undergo several years of continual innovation through RAND and user feedback and are known to be much more affordable than other manufacturers. For more details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best portable washing machine list is Safe Plus Portable Washer. Easy to remove the handle and storage the cable, the drain pipe hangs on the hook. Good for users to install. Ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. 360 degrees rotation produces tumbling water, 360 degrees cleanse and reduce the clothes wrapped together. Have a cover plate when you use the spin tube, easily cover the cloths and avoid the high-speed throwaway. Not only is it environmentally friendly but it is also energy saving. Separate timer control settings for wash and spin operations. Power cord with UL certification, and motor uses environmentally friendly paint. For more details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!